Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix thumbnail not showing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you have to go Task Manager. To go Task Manager, you have to go to the search bar and right here Task Manager. Hit enter. Now you can see here Windows Explorer. You have to find that Windows Explorer and make it restart. This option restart. After restarting Windows Explorer, check back that your issues have been fixed or not. If there is still the issue, then you have to go to the next step. The next step is you have to go to this search bar and right here disk cleanup. This one, the first option, disk cleanup. Now click on OK. Now you have to uncheck all of this except this one. Okay, this one only thumbnail should be checked. Now click on OK. Now go to this search bar and right here view advanced system settings. This one, click on this. Now go to performance tab. Here's the performance tab. Go to settings. Now you have to find here thumbnail instead of icons. So let's check this if there is not or not. Okay, I don't find here this. Click this one, show thumbnails instead of icons. Make sure this is unchecked. If you find this checked, make this unchecked and then click on apply and then click on OK. After doing that, I'm very sure that issues will be resolved. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.